How to find files shared by your friend or your coworker in Google Docs Mobile. Just have to press this one, the three stripes on top beside the search in docs text, and then you can click share it with me, or you can also, if you want to find them easier, you can press the three dots beside your document name, and then you can put it to start, so you can find them much more easier now because it's there now, without having to scroll through all of your Google Docs file. And if you accidentally delete something, you can also press to trash, and then you can find them right here and recover them. So if I put this to trash, move to trash, and then I can open up the trash, and it's here for me to recover it.